Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's see a problem on functions and their inverses, which is asked in a IGCSE examination, but it is suitable for all boards of examination, whomever studied the functions topic. Okay, let's start the function. Given question, f of x equal to 2x plus 5, g of x equal to 2 power x, and h of x equal to 7 minus 3x. This is the question which is provided to us. Okay. Oh, let's see the first part. First part is we have to find the function values at x equal to 3. In part A, subpart 1 is given us to find f of 3. So let's consider the function f of 3. Then consider the function f and substitute 3 for x. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Then subpart 2, g of 3, that is composite function of g with g. Okay, so g of x is 2 power x, and again we have to apply g in for x 2 power x, that is 2 times 2 power x. So now we can find at x equal to 2, sorry, x equal to 3. So 2 power 3. Initially, we have to find the index's value 2 power 3, which is 8, and 2 power 8 is nothing but 256. Okay. Now let's move on to the part B. Part B is to find the f inverse of x. Let's take the function f of x as y equal to, okay, y equal to 2x plus 5. Then we have to write the function by interchanging the variables. X equal to 2y plus 5. Then we can rewrite the expression as y is equal to in terms of x. So x minus 5 equal to 2y. Then y is equal to 1 by 2 x minus 5. This is the f inverse of x. Okay. Shall we move on to part C? Part C is to find f h of x. That is a composite function of f with h of x. F h of x. That is, first we can apply the h of x as 7 minus 3x. And then we can apply the f of x. Instead of x, we have to substitute 7 minus 3 of x plus 5. 7 times 4 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 3x times 2 is minus 6x plus 5. 14 plus 5 is 19 minus 6x. This is a simplified form of f h of x. Then let's move on to the part D. We have to solve the inequality for f of x. 1 less than or equal to 2x plus 5 less than or equal to 9. We have to eliminate the constant term 5 at first. So 1 minus 5 less than 2x less than or equal to 9 minus 5. Then we can simplify 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. And 2x remains the same. And less than or equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then we have to eliminate coefficient of x2 by dividing the 2 on both sides, on all the sides of inequality. Let's throw the inequality. Then negative 2 less than x less than or equal to 2. Now we can draw the number line. Here minus 2, here minus 1, here 0, here 1, here 2. We have to include 2 because equal sign is there. We doesn't include minus 2 because there is no equal sign below the less than sign. So what are the integers we have? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. There are 4 integers satisfies this inequality. Okay. In this session, we have learned about initially how can we find the function values at some x values. And in a part B, it's the inverse of f. Part C, fh of x. That's a composite function between f and h. And part D is how can we find the inequality for any functions. Okay, thank you.